السلام عليكم ورحمة الله، كيف الحال؟ اسمي سعيد من المغرب وأتحدث اللغة العربية الفصحى، الدارجة المغربية وأيضا الإنجليزية. أنا أستاذ مختص في تعليم اللغات التي سبق ذكرها للكبار والصغار على حد سواء. Hey, how are you doing? So you clicked my video. That's a really good choice. Let me introduce myself. My name is Saeed, and Saeed means happy in Arabic. So Saeed means happy. I'm 24 years old from Agadir, Morocco, graduated from the University of Ibn Zor with a bachelor's degree in teaching. I've been teaching 3 languages in the past few years, since 2017, to both children and adults. The first language is Formal Arabic, also known as MSA, Modern Standard Arabic. The second one is the Moroccan Arabic, also known as the Moroccan dialect, or as locals call it, Darija. And the third one is English. During the process, I felt I've developed and sharpened my skills. For example, communication skills. I'm a very friendly person to talk to. Also, patience. I've gained so much. I've got so much patience, I would say. None of my students was able to make me reach the limits of my patience so far. And I've had a lot of students, so that's something I'm really proud about. Also, I know how to clear the atmosphere, how to make the student feel really comfortable, because that's very important. If the student is not comfortable, then he or she will be incapable of receiving any kind of information or knowledge. So that's very important. In addition, I've gained so much experience concerning the field of teaching. For example, currently I create my own classes in the form of colorful presentations, because personally I find the textbooks a little bit boring and old school. I mean, after all, we're living in the era of technology. I mean, look at you. You're literally searching for a teacher online. Isn't that amazing? And the majority of teachers online usually use textbooks. You probably by now you're wondering how the class will be delivered. So let's take a look. During the class, I will be sharing my screen like this while being able to see me on this corner. Even though the classes are based on teaching materials, they're still fun to look at with colorful slides. This is the Darija example, or Moroccan Arabic example. The majority of students prefer to learning it using Latin alphabets, while others they like Arabic alphabets. Of course, at the end of each class, the student receives a copy of the lesson to keep and to revise, and the classes are adjusted according to the students' level, goals, what they want to achieve, and so on. I hope you like how it looks. I would say I'm very suitable for beginners. I find it really fun and interesting to teach someone something for the first time. It's really amazing. So if you have any additional questions, please feel free to send me a message. I will be glad to answer them all. I'm very flexible. If you want a specific class in a specific time that isn't available on my timetable, just ask me and I will make it happen. Doesn't matter if it's night or day, it doesn't really matter. So thank you so much for watching my video till the end. I really appreciate it, and looking forward to meeting you. Thank you so much. Have a great day, and إلى اللقاء.